Hey guys, what's up? I'm outside today. Yeah, I forgot how much I love just filming outside. Like being outside is so nice. And plus I can like wear my glasses because I'm not using the ring light, which I usually use my ring light to film, and so whenever I want to wear my glasses and film, I can't really do that. I'm using the ring light. You know, you get that good old reflection from the ring light in the glasses. Yeah. And that's the one thing with filming outside. The noise, the random noise that is going to occur. But we're outside and I'm in my hoodie. Like, it is cold outside, yo. Like, it's finally cold. It's finally happening. And I looked at the weekly forecast and it's like the highs are gonna be in the 50s this whole week. And I'm just like, oh, it's that time of year again. Get your layers, folks. Anyways, yeah, but it's chilly time. So we got the hoodie on. I actually want to try doing my makeup out here. Actually, no, I'm not trying. I am going to do my makeup out here. And I brought all of the necessary tools. I even went and got a new sponge because I needed a new sponge really bad. So yeah, I'm doing my makeup outside. This reminds me of my 14-year-old self. This reminds me of my 14-year-old self because this is literally my first video was this. I already put some makeup on earlier today. I ran out of freaking foundation. Like, I literally ran out of foundation. So we're just gonna be using concealer today. It's not like you'll notice or anything. I'm excited to use this new sponge. I've never used the Eco Tools sponge. So we're just gonna be using concealer. That means we're gonna use a lot of concealer. A lot. I love construction sounds. They're the best. Should I just be applying makeup over old makeup though? I don't like that. Like, I don't like the feeling of that. Like applying new makeup on top of old makeup. Yeah, I don't want to do that actually. I want this to come out looking flawless. So this fresh air just is so beautiful. I need to get more of it. It's not like even natural when you think about it for us to just stay inside all day. The sun is literally what birthed us and we're just staying away from it. Get your vitamin D. So. Now I'm removing my makeup, so everybody get ready to scream. JK, but the skin has been breaking out a little bit. This skin, I mean, it's technically not me, it's just my skin capsule. So you can't judge me for my acne, and I'm not gonna judge myself for my acne either, because it's temporary. It's not me, you know? You know? That's how every girl should see their acne. It's just coming and going. Like, as soon as you identify with it, that's when you're like, wow, I'm ugly. But you can also just accept it and it'll go away sooner than you think. Like, I feel like the more I decide to not care about my acne and live my life regardless if I have acne or not, the more it seems to go away faster. It's more like whenever I dwell on it and I don't want it to be there and I just don't accept it, that I have it worse. And it's like, oh, you didn't want me here? Well, I just brought the whole fam. Here's more pimples. I think the hardest part of doing my makeup outside is that I'm gonna have to hold my mirror the whole time and not get it in the way of this camera. Okay, now I have all my makeup off. You see, like I said, my face, it's looking a little crazy. It's looking a little reckless, but this is about to come to rescue. So this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. The neighbor is gonna come outside and see me and I'm gonna be embarrassed, but that's okay. Maybe I'll just pretend I don't see them. They didn't see me. Okay, that was not embarrassing at all. I love that moment when you know a moment could become very awkward, but it just doesn't happen the way you think it's gonna happen, and it's like, wow, the universe isn't as bad as I thought it was. We're not letting the no foundation stop us today. We're still going all out. I want you to work, sponge. Bitch, that worked well. Let me just take a little breaky poo. I got my favorite ever Living in Gratitude Fall Edition Kombucha by the GT's brand. Look at all of the goodness that's in there. Apple, turmeric, carrot, and spices. Oh, tastes like fall, bitch. Okay, let's set this face, yeah, bitch. You better set this. Going in with my Dermablend translucent powder. Face is set. Now we gonna go to the eyebrows. For my brows, I'm going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So I have this pimple like right above this eyebrow that is making it a little difficult because I feel like from far away it kind of looks like it's my eyebrow. Eyebrow pimples are honestly the trickiest things ever. Like, what are they? I just keep hearing the squirrel hop around in the grass over there, and I can't stop like wanting to look at it. Okay, the eyebrows are just gonna have to be done. They're done. They're fine. They're fine, Hannah. Alright, I'm gonna set the brows. This brow color, by the way, is soft brown, if anyone was wondering, and I'm about to use the Anastasia Brow Gel. First, I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Beach palette. I grabbed this color, Daybreak. So now that Daybreak is all in my crease area, I'm gonna go into my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. And the rest of the colors are in this palette, by the way, but I'm gonna take this color Riff, and I'm gonna put that in my crease, but like lower. This like smaller packed brush, and I'm gonna take the Good As Gone color, that's a dark brown right here, put that on the outer corner. Okay, and I'm taking the original brush, fluffy brush. Now that we got that dark color in there, I'm gonna go in this color Baja, bright orange color, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part. I'm gonna take this color right here, Ignite, and put that smack dab on my lid. And yes, your girl's gonna do this with her finger. The best way to get the most pigment. If that isn't fall, I don't know what fall is anymore. We're about to do the trickiest part. Y'all pray for me, for real. Using my Kat Von D liner. Considered doing a video on just wing eyeliner, like how to do maybe like 4 classic styles, you know, like the long and skinny like this, or just like short and thick. I think I have some pretty good techniques I could talk about, so I feel like a dedicated video on that might be really useful for some of you guys who like think I'm like really good at eyeliner. But let me know in the comments if that would be interesting to you guys or helpful to you guys. So I'm gonna put on my Kush mascara. This mascara is so good, you guys.
Stop was to make it on my mind. I put them words in the open and they oxidize to fall.
Now I'm gonna use these China Doll lashes from Black Magic. These are the best.
Born over them and I was born over you. Yeah. Snapped by the gleam.
These lashes are so cute. Let's warm up this face though. Damn.
Careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any closer without touching. I said I can't put my hand there without going through it. Without us both going through it.
I received these Carroty blush palettes, and this is the Coral Kaboom one. Girl, so pretty. I'm gonna be using this as a blush, and then I'm gonna try using this perf highlighter because I have never tried that.
Cat sleep in the shower, maybe getting out. 'Cause now I know the difference.
Okay, so I might have done a little bit too much blush. I think it's kind of cute. I mean, it is colder outside, so here, let's put some on my nose. Oh. Now we're gonna take the highlight, and we're gonna take this perf shade here, like a white highlighter.
Oh man, always want more in the morning. You're a good guy, you feel so smooth when you come through. I see.
Time to put my lips back on. For lip lips, I'm going to be using Pixie by Petra lip color in Evening Rose. So this is the matte last liquid lip. I love this line of liquid lips so much, seriously. Like, it's made with rosehip oil, okay? It smells and feels so good. It smells like roses.
I'm like Jen and Chris Tucker without touching. No, I can't do it without touching it.
Okay, I don't know what it is, but I just cannot get the top lip on the first try. Like, I literally don't even mean to overline my lips so much. It's just the fact that I can never get it at my actual lip line. Like, I will always mess up one little edge and it won't be perfectly straight, and then I'll end up just having to like make it straighter by like going over it a little bit more. But I think they look pretty good. Oh, my nose piercing can go back in. Put on my hoodie because it's getting freaking cold out here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would do a Instagram shout out right now, but I actually don't have my phone. I left it at my place. I don't remember the username, but I'll put a little Instagram tag right here, so for when I'm filming, I'll put it in there. But yeah, shout out to this girl. I love you so much, and I love your support so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You mean the world to me. All of you guys who have been supporting me, you mean the world to me, and I really mean that when I say it. You guys are literally why I keep still doing this, so without further ado, I will be getting on out of here. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.